you want to know how to fix auto scroll missing on TikTok, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So if you don't have this feature, I firstly suggest you to open your settings and here find the TikTok. So on the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android it may look a little bit different. So here we need to find, do we have the last feature here, which is called background app refresh. Make sure that this function is turned on. Only in this case you'll be able to use your auto scroll. Then please open App Store or Google Play and here search for TikTok. So we need to find, do we have the latest version? If you have the update or upgrade button, click on it, because sometimes you won't be able to use a newest feature on your old versions of the app. After that, go to our TikTok and try to check, do you have this feature? Is it appeared for you? And if it's still not, click on your profile in the right bottom corner to open this page. Then click on three dots in the right top to open this toggle menu. Click on settings and privacy. And here scroll down till the very end to find a support and about area. So we'll try to contact a TikTok support team. Here click on report a problem. And we need to find the necessary topic as for us. In my case, I'm going to click on videos and so on. So videos and sounds. And basically, we need to scroll down till the very end. And here, click on other, the last line here. And also I'm going to click on other once more. And here we need to explain our problem, what's wrong with our account or profile. Click on need more help. And here we need to write exactly what do we need to fix. So you need to write something, I don't have auto scroll feature. Fix it, please. And then just simply click on submit. After that, TikTok support team will receive our message and they will help us to fix this problem. So all we need to do is just simply wait until everything will be done. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.